The LeafMax cordless pool vacuum is rechargeable and can operate for longer than 75 minutes on a single charge. It's easy to use, maintain, and built for safe, reliable pool cleaning. To get started, remove the charging port cover on the top of the cleaner by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. You can then insert the charging cord. The on-off switch is right next to the charging port and is pressed to show the unit is working. After charging, you can remove the cord and rotate the cover clockwise back over the charging port, making sure to align it correctly, ensuring a correct seal. The leaf bag on the vacuum is oversized with a zipper for easy emptying and cleaning. Removing the bag from the vacuum is easy. Just undo the blue clip on the front and turn it over if it is full of debris. Reconnecting is also simple. Just realign the two grooves under the gray part of the housing, then clip down the other side. Featuring an oversized, safe impeller, LeafMax generates strong suction to easily pull in leaves and debris, depositing them into the high-capacity bag. The continuously spinning impeller keeps debris agitated and prevents blockages, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted cleaning. Connect the cleaner to a standard telescopic pole by inserting the pole over the cleaner's handle until both sides of the V-clip appear outside of the pole. Press the button on top to turn it on and then submerge it in your pool. The LeafMax will start up once it senses water. Watch as the LeafMax goes to work with its easily maneuvering 10-inch vacuum head and maximum suction of 24 gallons per minute. This vacuum can operate in pool depths from 5 inches all the way up to 10 feet of water. Its large capacity 5-liter bag is reusable and is no match for leaves, acorns, twigs, or other small debris. The vacuum comes with 2 reusable bag options, one fine and one ultra fine. When you're finished, remove the vacuum from the water and the impeller will turn off when it stops sensing water. You can set it down, unclip the filter bag, and open the easy zipper to empty and clean. Coming with a standard LeafMax is a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Do you have any questions or would like to purchase? Reach out or swing by a retail location today. Thank you for watching.